A tour of the girls' coop. Of course, we have a little windmill out front. Girls rather be outside than inside, huh? There's Miss Bossy. Yeah. Solar panels up there to run the security light and the door. This is where the baby chicks go. We have none down there right now. It's the door to get in there. A little water for inside the coop. Put your steps up. This is flexible plastic, so you can pull it out and clean it. The roost. The nesting boxes used to be right here, and they were thoroughly unhappy about us moving them, but they did use the new boxes we made, and I made access on the outside so I can open it. These are eggs from today. This is the electric coop door. It runs on solar power. This is the best thing ever. Had no problems with it. You just have to make sure that the wattage, the output is 7 amps or something like that, 7 watts on the solar panel. I'm not sure how that works. Anyways, just check it. It'll tell you which one to use. Just have the little battery up here, a 12-volt battery. Do you like it? Do you like your renovation? Miss? There's their treadle feeder in there, covered by their chickadee diner roof. A little area to climb, branch. This is the run that they stay in when I am at work during the week and I can't keep an eye on them. They got fresh food back there and water. They have water in here. They love, love, love going in the yard. They prefer the yard. And that's every weekend, and some weekdays I let them go in the yard. That back door opens. This was made out of pallets. The roof is an old truck topper. This is where I keep stuff. There's compost in there. This is where I keep the hay. In a bag. This door opens. That used to be for the old nest boxes. Now we made the new doors. This one flips down and stays firm, so it's like a little table. I can set my egg basket there. The other one flips up. Hold on to that hook. There's their door to the run. That's where we keep their food. Old-fashioned lock.